Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert series of number in Microsoft Outlook. So let's start it. At first, open your document. Firstly, go into the insert menu option and click for table option and choose any table, columns and row. Then now select the first column and go into the home menu option and click for the numbering bullet point. Then again change column option and going to the home menu option and click for the number indent option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my